Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem for the Bluetooth. Suppose you have Bluetooth problem, your Bluetooth doesn't work whenever you are trying to share files or any photos, videos, and it doesn't work. So how you can solve Bluetooth problem? Okay, so first thing is that you have to move on setting. When you move on setting, from here you can search through here on the search setting Bluetooth, or you can scroll on the down to general management. So friends, here you can see the option of the general management, and here you have to click on general management. When you click on general management, from here again you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, and then here you can see the option of the reset. So friends, here you have to click on reset. When you click on reset, from here you can see under the reset, the second option is to reset network settings. So friends, just click on reset network setting. When you click on reset network setting, here under it you can see this will reset all network setting, including those for Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem, or any network problem. Just click on reset setting, and here your Bluetooth problem will be solved successfully. If you want your Bluetooth should be good, and just click on reset, it will reset your network. Okay, and if it doesn't solve, then you can click on reset all setting, and from here you can reset this one. But this is only for your security setting, language setting, account setting. It doesn't related with your Bluetooth, so no need to reset this one. Just click on reset network setting and it will be solved. Okay, if it doesn't solve, then you can move on to center, which you used to fix, okay, mobile phone fixing, example like customer care. You can move on and you can move to service center and you can fix your phone. Okay, they will explain you about the, I just give you some situations how you can fix your mobile phone. Okay, I mean Bluetooth problem. And friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.